If you're getting on in years and you're looking for more income from your portfolio, closed-end funds may be worth considering. And Kritzmire of Nuveen Investments says closed-end funds are built for cash flow.
The number one reason people should consider closed-end funds is their compelling cash flows, especially for those in or near retirement. Closed-end funds offer some of the most compelling cash flow out there for a retail investor. They're designed for cash flow, they're managed for cash flow, and the structure of a closed-end fund allows additional features that in fact contribute to higher levels of potential return to facilitate that cash flow. So when we talk about closed-end funds, we talk a lot about the word more. Closed-end funds offer the potential for more cash flow, more choices for diversification, but the trade-off is usually more volatility. So investors looking at that compelling cash flow need to bear in mind there's no free lunch. More cash flow, potentially more volatility.
The Investment Company Institute does research on closed-end fund investors. Kritzmire says findings show they tend to be older, more affluent, and more educated.
So it's that probably more of that retiree we perceive. On the advisor side, Nuveen has done research. We've done quantitative research with over 600 financial advisors, and we found that over half use closed-end funds, but those that use them tend to be those that also manage higher levels of assets, that they have higher revenues themselves. So they have found and told us closed-end funds are a way for them to, in fact, distinguish themselves and their practice. So it's a little like the more highly educated investor and potentially the more highly educated or diligent advisor are finding closed-end funds as a compelling income solution.
Kritzmire believes more education is needed before closed-end funds become more popular in retirement portfolios.
Many people have not heard as much about closed-end funds as they have about other investments. So we're certainly trying to change that, help people understand both the potential benefits and the trade-offs of closed-end funds. We're told by both investors and advisors that lack of knowledge or lack of more information is their largest barrier to using them. So the number one thing is to try and help get more awareness and more education at both the investor and the financial advisor level.
For more information and data on closed-end funds, visit our sponsor, CEFconnect.com, the authority on closed-end funds. This is Closed-End Fund News.